Paul Ross presents a developer's dream at 71 Kirkham Hill Terrace, Maylands. Situated on a massive 2,470 square metre block with an R30 zoning, this property is located close to the Swan River and is a potential 8-unit development site with WAPC approval. It currently boasts a solid brick and tile 4-bedroom home with a functional floor plan, including an under-croft garage and wine cellar, as well as side clearance for vehicle rear access. It's perfect for a family to live in or an excellent investment to rent out while you plan your future development of potentially 8 units on this amazing site. With parklands and the Swan River so close, you're only a 5-minute walk from Bardon Park, Maylands Jetty and everything else that Maylands has to offer, with the train and CBD only minutes away. Rarely do properties like this come to market, so don't miss this one. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.